Welcome to Ancient Atoms Archive, where ancient wisdom meets modern understanding. I am honored to guide you through this pink noise meditation journey, a practice that combines the soothing properties of pink noise with time-honored relaxation techniques. As you settle in, allow the pink noise you're hearing to begin creating a sanctuary of sound around you. This special frequency pattern has been present in our natural world since time immemorial. In the gentle rustle of leaves, the rhythm of rainfall, and the distant roar of ocean waves. Pink noise is characterized by a unique balance of sound frequencies, where the power decreases as the frequency increases. This natural sound pattern appears throughout nature and has been intuitively recognized as calming across cultures and throughout history. I invite you to consider saving this meditation to your personal playlist by creating a collection of practices that support your well-being. You establish a modern sanctuary you can return to whenever life feels overwhelming, just a click away. Let's begin by creating a receptive state for our journey together. Find a comfortable position that allows your body to be fully supported. Ancient meditation practitioners understood the importance of physical ease for mental tranquility. Take a few moments to adjust your posture, ensuring your spine is comfortably aligned and your limbs are supported. The more at ease your body feels, the more readily your mind can release into deeper states of awareness. Now, I invite you to take a moment to identify what's on your mind right now. Any pressures, stresses, or worries that you've been carrying. Perhaps there are responsibilities weighing on you, conversations replaying in your thoughts, or tasks demanding your attention. As you identify each concern, imagine gathering it up, every thought, every feeling, every responsibility, and placing it carefully inside a box that exists just outside the room where you're sitting or lying down. See yourself doing this with intention, perhaps labeling each worry as you place it in the box. When you feel you've gathered everything that's been occupying your mind, imagine closing the lid of the box and setting it aside. All of these concerns will be there for you to address later, but for now, you're giving yourself permission to be fully present in this practice. The clearer your mind is at the beginning of this meditation, the more profound benefits you'll receive. This ancient practice of consciously setting aside distractions allows you to create a truly sacred inner space. The pink noise surrounding you is already working on a subtle level, helping to mask distracting sounds and creating an acoustic environment that naturally soothes your nervous system. Modern research has confirmed what ancient sound healers intuitively understood. Certain sound patterns can create profound shifts in our physiological and psychological states. Set an intention for this practice. Perhaps it's finding greater calm, improving your sleep, enhancing your focus, or simply giving yourself the gift of presence. Whatever arises, hold it gently in your awareness as we begin. Let's connect with the breath, our most fundamental rhythm. Like the pink noise you're hearing, your breath follows natural patterns that can induce states of profound relaxation when given our conscious attention. Begin to notice your natural breathing pattern without trying to change it. Simply observe the inhalation and exhalation, the rise and fall, the continuous flow of breath that has sustained you since your first moments of life. In ancient meditation practices from India to China, breath awareness was considered the gateway to higher consciousness. The Sanskrit word prana and the Chinese concept of qi both recognized breath as carrying vital life energy. Now, let's gradually deepen the breath, inviting it to become slower and more rhythmic. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Hold briefly for a count of 2. And exhale through slightly parted lips for a count of 6. Continue this pattern, allowing each breath to synchronize with the flowing rhythm of the pink noise surrounding you. With each inhale, imagine drawing in clarity and calm. With each exhale, release any tension or distraction. As we continue breathing mindfully, let's explore what makes pink noise so uniquely beneficial. Pink noise contains all the frequencies audible to humans, but with a special distribution that mimics many natural sounds. Unlike white noise, which has equal energy across all frequencies, pink noise decreases in intensity as the frequency increases, creating a more balanced and natural sound profile. This is why pink noise often feels more organic and soothing to our ears than other types of noise. Modern research has revealed remarkable benefits of pink noise for human well-being. Studies from Northwestern University have shown that pink noise can enhance deep sleep and memory consolidation, while research published in the Journal of Theoretical Biology suggests it may help synchronize brainwaves during rest. What's fascinating is that ancient practices anticipated these findings. In traditional Chinese medicine, specific sound frequencies were used to restore harmony to different organ systems. In ancient Greece, Pythagoras developed a practice called musical medicine, using specific sound frequencies to restore balance to the body and mind. Indigenous shamanic traditions worldwide employed natural sounds: flowing water, wind through trees, distant thunder, all containing elements of what we now identify as pink noise, to induce healing states of consciousness. The pink noise you're hearing is literally helping your brain organize itself into a more coherent state, potentially lowering blood pressure, reducing heart rate, and creating optimal conditions for both relaxation and gentle alertness. A state ancient meditators called peaceful awareness. As you continue to breathe with the pink noise, imagine its frequencies are harmonizing your brain waves, creating a state of neurological balance that ancient practitioners sought through their sophisticated sound practices. Now, keeping awareness of the pink noise in the background, let's turn our attention to a systematic relaxation of the body. This practice combines elements of ancient progressive relaxation techniques with our understanding of how sound affects physical tension. Begin by bringing awareness to the top of your head, the crown. Notice any sensations present: temperature, tingling, pressure, or perhaps just a sense of spaciousness. The pink noise is creating tiny vibrations that can help release tension, even at the cellular level. Move your attention to your forehead and temples. These areas often hold tension related to thinking and concentration. Allow the soothing frequencies of pink noise to soften any tightness here. Bring awareness to your jaw, another common repository of tension. Archaeological evidence suggests that even ancient populations experienced jaw tension from stress, with temple healers in Egypt and Greece prescribing specific relaxation techniques for this area. Continue down to your neck and shoulders, allowing them to melt with each exhalation. Pink noise has been shown to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which triggers the body's natural relaxation response. Bring awareness to your arms and hands. Notice how they feel heavier and more relaxed as you continue to breathe with the pink noise. Focus on your chest and abdomen, allowing your breath to deepen even further. The steady nature of pink noise helps regularize breathing patterns, a technique that appears in ancient Taoist and Vedic breathing practices. Move your attention to your lower back, hips, and pelvis. These areas can hold stress from modern lifestyles. The ancient ones knew to release tension here through specific movements and sound vibrations. Finally, bring awareness to your legs and feet, feeling them becoming increasingly heavy and relaxed. With each breath, imagine roots extending from your feet deep into the earth, grounding you while the pink noise creates a protective sonic environment above. Now, experience your entire body as a unified field of sensation, bathed in the harmonizing frequencies of pink noise. Your ancestors sought out natural environments with these same sound qualities. Beside waterfalls, near ocean shores, among rustling leaves, instinctively drawn to their balancing effects. As we continue our journey, I invite you to engage your imagination. Visualization was used in ancient healing temples to enhance the effects of sound therapy. Imagine the pink noise as a gentle mist of soft rose-colored light surrounding your entire body. This mist contains all frequencies in perfect balance, just as pink noise contains all audible sound frequencies in its unique, natural distribution. Ancient color healing traditions, from Egyptian solar therapy to Chinese five-element theory, recognize the power of specific colors to affect our energetic state. The soft rose hue of this visualization connects to heart-opening and emotional balancing in many traditions. As you continue breathing with this visualization, imagine the pink noise creating perfect equilibrium between activity and rest, between focus and relaxation. This balanced state was the goal of many ancient meditation practices, and is now supported by our understanding of optimal brain function. The frequencies within pink noise are mathematically related in a way that reflects natural patterns found throughout the universe. In the branching of trees, the spiral of shells, and even the distribution of stars in the night sky. As you breathe with these harmonious patterns, you're aligning with the same mathematical principles that govern natural growth and harmony. Let's explore how pink noise affects your brain specifically. Modern neuroscience has shown that pink noise can help synchronize neural oscillations, the rhythmic, electrical activity in your brain. When you listen attentively to pink noise, your brain naturally begins to entrain to its balanced frequency distribution. The ancient Greek concept of entrainment, though they didn't use that term, recognized that external rhythms could influence internal bodily processes. Pink noise has been shown to enhance what scientists call alpha brainwaves, the bridge between conscious alertness and meditative states. These are the same brainwave patterns that experienced meditators naturally generate. The consistent, arrhythmic pattern of pink noise helps facilitate this ideal state of relaxed awareness. Research from the Sleep Research Laboratory has demonstrated that exposure to pink noise can increase deep, slow-wave sleep by up to 45% and significantly improve memory. Ancient sleep temples in Egypt and Greece created specific sound environments to induce healing sleep, intuitively working with principles we now measure with EEG machines. As you continue breathing with the pink noise, imagine your entire brain becoming more coherent, neurons firing in harmony, information processing becoming more efficient, stress responses calming, and creative connections flourishing. Pink noise is particularly effective for mental focus because it masks distracting sounds across all frequencies in a balanced way. Some researchers believe it mimics the sound environment in which human cognition evolved, explaining why many people find it naturally supportive for both concentration and creativity. As we begin to draw this guided portion to a close, let's consider how you might incorporate the benefits of pink noise into your daily life. Many people find pink noise helpful for creating optimal sleep environments. The balanced frequency distribution has been shown to improve sleep quality and may even help with memory consolidation during deep sleep phases. Ancient healing centers were often built near natural sources of pink noise, such as waterfalls or ocean shores, recognizing their sleep-enhancing properties. Pink noise can also create ideal conditions for focused work or study. By masking, distracting sounds in a way that feels natural to our auditory system, it creates a sonic sanctuary for concentrated thought. Ancient scholars in both Eastern and Western traditions sought out specific acoustic environments for their studies and contemplation. For stress reduction throughout the day, even brief exposure to pink noise can help reset your nervous system. Consider creating a pink noise sanctuary in your home or workplace, or using it during brief meditation breaks. Remember that you can return to this meditation whenever you wish, allowing the pink noise to guide you back to this state of balanced awareness. As we transition to affirmations, continue breathing gently with the pink noise, allowing each statement to resonate deeply within you, reinforcing the natural harmony you've cultivated. I am in perfect harmony with the natural rhythms of life. My mind becomes clearer and more focused with each breath. I release tension and welcome deep relaxation into my being. The balanced frequencies of pink noise reflect my own inner balance. My sleep grows deeper and more restorative each night. I am connected to the same natural patterns that create harmony throughout the universe. My nervous system is returning to its optimal state of calm alertness. I welcome the soothing embrace of balanced sound into every cell of my body. My brain is organizing itself into patterns of greater coherence and creativity. I release disruptive thoughts and embrace the steady flow of present awareness. My concentration deepens naturally in this state of acoustic balance. I am worthy of peace, harmony, and well-being. Each time I return to pink noise, my body remembers this state of deep relaxation more quickly. I am creating optimal conditions for my health and happiness. My mind, body, and spirit are aligning in perfect harmony. I connect with the ancient wisdom of sound healing that spans human history. The balanced frequencies I hear are balancing my energy centers. I release what no longer serves me and welcome renewed vitality. My heart rate and breathing find their natural, optimal rhythm. I am protected in this sanctuary of balanced sound. My creativity flows freely in this state of relaxed awareness. I am grateful for the healing power of harmonious sound. My sleep cycles are becoming more natural and restorative. I am connected to the wisdom of my ancestors, who sought healing through natural sounds. My thought patterns are becoming more balanced and constructive. I welcome the calming effect of pink noise on my entire nervous system. My concentration deepens as distractions fade away. I am returning to the natural state of harmony that is my birthright. My memory and learning are enhanced in this state of neural coherence. I release stress and tension with each exhale. The mathematical harmony of pink noise reflects the mathematical harmony within me. I am whole, balanced, and at peace. My brain waves are synchronizing to their optimal pattern. I embrace the perfect balance between alertness and relaxation. I am worthy of the deep rest and renewal that pink noise facilitates. Each cell in my body resonates with healing harmony. I am open to the ancient wisdom carried in balanced sound frequencies. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to reflect on the state of harmony you've cultivated through this practice with pink noise. The balanced frequencies you've been experiencing have been working at multiple levels, calming your nervous system, balancing brain activity, masking distractions, and creating an optimal environment for presence and peace. It's now time to retrieve the box where you placed your concerns at the beginning of our practice. Imagine approaching it with your newfound sense of calm and balance. You might find that some of those worries now seem lighter, more manageable. You can choose which ones to pick back up and which ones you'd prefer to leave behind. If you found benefit in this practice, consider adding it to your personal meditation library. A simple click to save can create an accessible resource for future moments when balance is needed. Begin to deepen your breath slightly, bringing more awareness to your physical body and immediate surroundings. Notice how you feel compared to when we began. Perhaps there's a greater sense of calm, clarity, or centeredness. Whenever you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, reintroducing movement to your body. Perhaps stretch in any way that feels nourishing. As you prepare to continue with your day, know that you can return to this state of harmony at any time. either through this guided practice or by incorporating pink noise into your daily environments. Thank you for sharing this journey with Ancient Atoms Archive, where ancient wisdom meets modern understanding. May the balanced harmony of pink noise continue to support your well-being long after this meditation concludes.